Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Axie Infinity Axie Classes Overview. Axie Infinity is a popular blockchain-based game where players can collect, breed, and battle creatures known as Axies. Understanding the different Axie classes is crucial to building a strong team and winning battles. There are 9 Axie classes in total, each with its unique strengths and weaknesses. The classes are Beast, Bird, Aquatic, Reptile, Plant, Bug, and 4 special classes: Dawn, Dusk, Mech, and Nut. Each Axie has a class and a set of attributes that determine its power and abilities. Let's take a look at the main attributes that define an Axie's class. The first attribute is the Axie's body parts, which include the eyes, ears, mouth, horn, back, and tail. Each body part has a specific class and determines the Axie's abilities and strengths. For example, an Axie with a Beast class body part will have increased health and attack power. On the other hand, an Axie with a Bird class body part will have increased speed and agility. Understanding how these body parts interact with each other is key to building a well-rounded team. In addition to body parts, each Axie has a set of cards that determine its abilities and moves. Cards can be combined to create powerful combos and strategies. The class of an Axie also determines the types of cards it can use. So it's essential to choose the right cards for your Axie's class. When building a team, it's essential to consider the strengths and weaknesses of each Axie class. A well-rounded team should have a mix of classes to cover each other's weaknesses. For example, a team with a Beast class Axie and a Bird class Axie will have a good balance of health and speed. In conclusion, understanding the different Axie classes is crucial to building a strong team and winning battles. In Axie Infinity, by considering the unique strengths and weaknesses of each class, you can create a well-rounded team and develop effective strategies to take down your opponents. Remember to choose the right cards for your Axie's class and build a team that covers each other's weaknesses. With practice and patience, you'll become a master of Axie Infinity and take your team to the top.